বাংলাদেশ বেতার রাজশাহী। এক্ষুনি শুনবেন স্থানীয় ইংরেজি সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Wednesday, the 6th of Jyeshtha, the 2nd of Jilhaj, and May the 20th. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. The 53rd annual camping and oath-taking program of Rajshahi College Rover Scout has been completed successfully. The 3-day program ended today at the playground of Political Science Department in Rajshahi College. A total of 27 students from different departments of the college took part in the event. Participating Rover members joined various scouting activities, including campfire camping, parade, oath-taking, first aid training, knot tying, and flag rows. Professor Dr. M.D. Ibrahim Ali attended the closing ceremony as the chief guest. He said, "Scouting is not only an activity but also teaches responsibility, discipline, and humanitarian values that help students in every stage of life." The number of measles patients in Rajshahi has gradually declined. Hospital spokesperson Dr. Shankar K. Bishwas said 7 patients with measles symptoms were admitted and no death from suspected measles have been reported at Rajshahi Medical College Hospital in the last 24 hours. He said 14 patients were released from the hospital after recovery, while 86 patients are currently undergoing treatment. Fire Service and Civil Defense Week has begun in Nauga. This year's theme is Firefighter Have One Place to Protect Lives and Property. The program was inaugurated today at Fire Service and Civil Defense Office by Deputy Commissioner Muhammad Saiful Islam. Different activities of the Fire Service and Civil Defense Department, including firefighting and rescue operations, are highlighted at the program. Meanwhile, Fire Service and Civil Defense Week has also begun in Natur with different activities. A farmer's field day on wet and dry method of rice cultivation has been held at Dhamirhat Upojela in Nauga. The program was organized today at Beradanga village. Discussion were held with local farmers on cost-effective irrigation, protection of underground water resources, and the use of climate-resilient agricultural technologies for sustainable farming. Among others, Upojela Agriculture Officer, Barint Multipurpose Development Authority Officer, Agricultural Extension Department Sub-Assistant Officer, and Municipality Liaison Officer were present at this event. An open budget for the 2026-27 fiscal year has been announced by Chowgram Union Porishod at Shingra Upojela in Natur. The budget of 4,86,84,015 taka was announced today at Union Porishod Hall Room, giving priority to infrastructure development, education, healthcare, disaster management, relief activities, and basic public needs. The budget was announced by Union Administrative Officer M.D. Shamim Hossain at the meeting, chaired by Acting Chairman Muzaffar Hossain. Member of the Union Porishod and reserve female members were present at the program. Police have arrested the main accused in the shooting murder case of Golam Mustafa, a resident of Motihar Police Station area in Rajshahi City. Motihar Police arrested accused Hasibul Islam during a drive last night. Police also recovered a pistol, a magazine, and 3 rounds of bullets from his possession. At a press conference, RMP Police said Golam Mustafa was shot dead in a pre-planned attack in the Kozapur area under Motihar Police Station on February 14th this year. Meanwhile, Damkura police have arrested 4 accused in connection with the murder of auto rickshaw driver Mamunur Rashid, a resident of Damkura police station area. Police said the driver was killed for stealing his auto rickshaw. The arrested accused have been sent to jail after completion of legal procedures. Trading of sacrificial animals ahead of the upcoming Eid ul Adha has started in full swing at cattle market in Chapainababganj. Farmers across the district 5 upojelas are now busy raising cattle at farms and household levels. The district livestock office said number of sacrificial animals this year is higher than local demand. According to the office, a total of 2,26,050 animals are ready for sacrifice in the district, while the demand is estimated at 1,67,202 animals. As a result, there will be a surplus of 58,848 animals in the district. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 36.6 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 28.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 60% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today will be at 6:44 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.